Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking the dynamic ecosystem of TFast Digital Agency. We're looking at a premier technical growth partner that's built right in Africa, but engineered for absolutely global standards. We're going to take a deep dive into their promotional blueprint, highlighting exactly how they deliver top-tier web, app, and software development services tailored specifically for African businesses. So let's just jump right in and see how they're delivering future IT solutions today.
Let's start by asking a really critical question. Is your business trapped in manual chaos? It's a grounded, urgent reality, right? We have to address this core pain point that so many African business owners face every single day. You're trying to scale, you've got the vision, but you're just completely bogged down by these outdated manual processes. Honestly, it's practically impossible to grow when you're spending half your day just trying to keep the administrative gears turning.
Businesses constantly find themselves at a crossroads here. On one side, you've got the nightmare of endless spreadsheets, manual ledgers, and completely fragmented data. It's a mess. But on the other side, you have the solution: unified, custom digital dashboards built for serious businesses. And this is exactly what TFast Digital Agency does. They take you from that chaotic situation and pull you right into that sleek, high-tech dream. They literally replace friction with flow.
So to tackle these manual bottlenecks, TFast deploys a core triad of services. Step 1, responsive e-commerce stores. And we're talking stores that are actually ready to handle real sales and complex inventory. Step 2, mobile delivery apps, so your logistics are just as digital and seamless as your storefront. And Step 3, custom software designed to perfectly fit your unique operational needs. They are completely transforming manual bottlenecks into high-performance digital systems.
You know, what's truly impressive here is the sheer depth of their engineering. This isn't just some basic web shop throwing together quick templates. No way! TFast is a full-stack software development powerhouse. We are talking heavy lifting capabilities here. Complex Laravel portals, native iOS and Android apps, custom C# and .NET desktop applications for things like point of sale or inventory management, and even specialized firmware flashing software like their tFixer tool. They absolutely have the technical chops to build practically anything.
Scalable. That is the word that really defines their architecture. TFast doesn't just build for where your business is today. They build infrastructure designed for a 1 billion brand trajectory. They use these incredibly robust frameworks so that when your traffic suddenly spikes or your user base multiplies overnight, the systems they've built for you aren't going to crash under the weight of your own success.
Secure. In the digital age, scale means absolutely nothing without protection, right? TFast maintains a strict, non-negotiable focus on cybersecurity monitoring. For instance, in financial products like their Sacco core platform for credit cooperatives, they implement double entry ledger controls to ensure absolute financial accuracy. Plus, they build in robust role permissions and audit logs, so you always know exactly who is doing what within your business systems.
Automated. The final pillar of their infrastructure is all about automation. Fast replaces human friction with smart workflow automations. They build responsive admin panels, like their Telegram automation console, which handles task scheduling, rule-based fallbacks, and activity logs. By taking all those repetitive, mundane tasks completely off your plate, they free you up to focus on what actually matters: strategy and growth.
Now, the really crucial point here is how they handle the future of work, specifically through their AI automation layer. TFast integrates cutting-edge AI logic and custom knowledge bases directly into their platforms. We're talking smart agents that can instantly generate quotes, draft SEO plans, prepare contracts, and even run full business audits. But here is the absolute brilliant part of it all. It accelerates sales and delivery without replacing human approval. The AI does all the heavy lifting, but you still make the final call.
The immense depth behind everything we've just discussed is perfectly mapped out in their master architecture blueprint. This really shows the structural planning and technical reality behind the agency's operations. They are meticulously documenting exactly how Laravel, React, AI agents, and CRM systems all weave together into one cohesive unit. It's absolute proof that they treat software engineering with the true rigor of structural architecture. And building on that master plan, TFast operates on a really clear winning strategy. They don't just build isolated websites. They build complete, controlled business operating systems. Your public website, your internal admin control center, your client SaaS hub, and your invoicing, they are all integrated. Everything talks to everything else, which, as you can imagine, dramatically reduces operational chaos.
Okay, let's get a little technical for just a second to truly appreciate their competence. TopFast balances power and efficiency by utilizing heavy Laravel backends for administration and SEO, but then they brilliantly blend that with lightweight, free-tier Firebase client-side features. They use Cloud Firestore for real-time UI updates, Firebase Analytics for tracking, remote config to toggle campaigns dynamically, and apt check to protect against API abuse. Honestly, it's just incredibly smart, efficient engineering.
But all this incredible technology brings up a vital question, doesn't it? How do you build global standard tech that actually works for the local economy? Because, let's face it, a beautifully engineered platform is completely useless if it ignores the reality of the people actually trying to use it. TFast deeply understands that the East African digital landscape has unique challenges, everything from data costs to very specific payment habits.
And they solve this by powering African commerce with the payment systems people actually use. Seamless MTN Mobile Money, Airtel Money, and M-Pesa compatibility are baked right in, right alongside your standard international card gateways. Think about it, when 78% of digitally active Ugandans use mobile money, a credit card-only checkout is basically a death sentence for an e-commerce store. TFast ensures your incredible new tech can actually collect revenue from your local customers.
Now, once your platform is actually built, you need visibility, right? Well, TFast operates a massive platform called TFast Hub, offering over 900 distinct social media marketing services. They use smart, drip-feed delivery to mimic natural, organic growth patterns. This provides the exact digital amplification that African businesses desperately need to break through those stubborn algorithmic biases on platforms like TikTok and Instagram.
Want undeniable proof of their reliability and scale? Try over 1,500 projects completed yearly. From Kampala to Nairobi and way beyond, they are a tested, proven engine for digital growth. When you partner with them, you aren't being treated as a guinea pig, you're plugging straight into a highly well-oiled machine.
And when it comes to long-term success, TFast doesn't just want to build your app and walk away. That's not their style. They actually help set businesses up for recurring revenue. Their SaaS foundation includes building client hubs, managing developer API keys, handling automated licensing verification, and even setting up subscription billing. They're handing you the exact tools you need to build a scalable, modern software business.
Which really brings us back to their core mission. TFast Digital Agency is a Ugandan technology and digital growth company helping businesses build websites, automate operations, grow online, and launch scalable digital platforms. They deliver this statement with absolute confidence, and it completely cements their identity, not just as another vendor, but as the ultimate technical growth partner for African businesses.
This whole identity is perfectly encapsulated in their master brand mark. That metallic T fast monogram maintains a really sleek, almost cinematic and premium corporate aesthetic. Whether it pops up on a proposal, a software dashboard, or just a website header, that emblem instantly signals quality, speed, and cutting-edge modern engineering.
But, right alongside that premium global look is a fierce, undeniable local pride, built by Ugandans for businesses everywhere. They even openly share their registration number, 800-30839-366680. By proudly stating their origin and displaying their official Uganda Registration Services Bureau number across all their touchpoints, TFast uses radical transparency as the ultimate signal of trust and credibility. They certainly don't hide where they come from, they leverage it as a massive brand asset.
Which brings us right back around to their primary tagline, delivering future IT solutions today. Honestly, this one simple sentence perfectly summarizes their entire approach. They are incredibly forward-thinking in their use of AI, Laravel, and Firebase, yet they stay highly practical with their integrations of local mobile money and super easy-to-use dashboards. They're literally bringing tomorrow's tech directly to today's African businesses.
So I'll leave you with this final thought to wrap up our explainer today. Are you ready to build something that truly lasts? Because it really is time to escape the manual spreadsheets, the fragmented tools, and all that digital chaos. The blueprint is right there, the technology is ready to go, and the team is completely proven. It might just be the perfect time to launch your digital transformation